some help with the weather. Oh, hey, Rainbow Dash. We need some help with the weather down in Manhattan. Oh, okay. Ah! We gotta tell the President Bradley. Twilight Sparkle, we need to send this news to President Rarity right away. Somebody sneezed! Oh, I'll tell her immediately. President Rarity, important news right here from Ponyville. Ugh. What is it? It's about to be important because I was about to get some beauty sleep. Some pony sneezed. Shut down everything!